was your bonfire night, girl? Friends and I, we went to London to see the fireworks display. So what did you do, Tiffany? Oh, you know me, girl. Always need an excuse to party. We had friends, family, relatives, strangers, everyone together. Wait, Bushra, what did you do for bonfire night? Oh, what, me? So just like anyone else, I got up, looked beautifully ready, and watched some fireworks. Oh my god, that was so pretty. It was the best time ever. जवान तियां राती बाहर नहीं जानी होनियां कोई तक्सी तक आसी अग तकने से इतना शौक कि ते चुल्ला बाल I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty wild.